I'll admit it, I'm super late to the party, but Air Max 1s, god damn, they're fire. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. And first I'll shout out to all the new subscribers, to the old subscribers. Finally hit that 2,000 mark, super gassed about it still. Hopefully I can hit the next mark of 5,000, etc, etc. But anywho, thanks for tuning in and hit that bell icon to get a notification every time I upload every single Monday with my waffle on videos. And these reviews come as I pick up new stuff. But anywho, enough waffling, let's get to these kicks. So if you saw my first video for the Air Max 1s in the OG red colorway, my first ever pair of Air Max, possibly my first pair of Nike with bubble on it. I'm probably back in the day, I had a pair like that, but in recent times, not been my thing at all. Air Max 97s, not into it. Air Max 90s, not into it. Air Max 98s, kind of like the look, but not into it. The 270s, kind of like one of the colorways, not into it. Then we've got the Vapor Max. I've spoken about that many times. Ugh, that shoe is wild to me. But the Air Max 1s, for some reason, super fire. I actually got those first OG Reds for like a consolation prize because I've missed out on some other kicks and ended up getting them. But these ones came up on my radar. Always thought the color was fire, but I wasn't that into Air Max 1s at the time to jump at them at retail. Then I saw on my boy Inventive Minds, I'm sure you follow him on Instagram, he posts the sickest pics. He posted that Foot Patrol in London was selling them for a discounted price. I think it was 70 or 80 pounds. So I ran down there the next day and got me a fresh pair. So let's open it up, show you what they're like. So as you can see, they come in the standard orangey Nike box. On the box here it says Nike Air Max 1 Anniversary UK 10. Colorway wise is white, aqua and neutral grey, as you can see on that. And yeah, this is part of the anniversary pack. I'm not sure if it was just the 3 kicks, but there was the OG reds, the blues and these. I'm not sure if the obsidian and all that was part of the same pack, because as I said, I wasn't paying attention big time for the Air Max 1 releases, so it's all new to me. I'm on the internet hunting for Air Maxes all the time. But yeah, show these kicks. So inside the box, like the red pair had before, it says Nike Air Max 1 Anniversary. 1987 is when these first came out. 31 years ago now. Yeah, pretty much. Let's tuck in, show you what they're like. And boom. Super fire. Super clean, and as I said, got this for a discount. I think it was 70 or 80 pounds. I've been on eBay since and looked at prices, and I've seen people selling them for like 150 and crazy shit like that. I think retail for these is 100 pounds as well, so super gassed to have got these. These Air Maxes are just one of the best silhouettes there is, I think. But anywho, let's go and show you some close-ups and little details of this kick. So like all the Air Maxes, you have this mesh sort of area on the toe box, makes it very breathable. I believe there are a couple pairs of leather ones, but people don't like it because people that care about creasing and all that don't like it too much. But this mesh thing's quite cool. Around the edge of the toe box here, which is in that lovely aqua colorway. Color is so fire, and the material feels real nice as well. The swoosh again is in that same aqua colorway. Then the side panel here, we have it in this sort of grey colorway. I'm not sure what material you would call this, if it's nubuck. Don't think it's suede, but it feels pretty nice. It looks pretty cool as well. What I love about this shoe was, while it is all aqua pretty much and white, they do have some purple hits on it, like you do on the tongue here, where it says Nike Air Max, purple with the aqua swoosh and Air Max written in purple. And you've also got these top eyelets here, again in purple. Inside the shoe with the inner sole says Nike Air Max, again in purple with a white swoosh. Dope, dope, dope. Then you can see the air bubble here, clear air bubble. It looks like it's probably grey or white. I think it's probably white inside there. All white midsole. Bottom of the shoe is black with, is that white? Yeah, I'd say that's white, and then black again. Back of the shoe, that purple hit, fire, says Nike Air. And these are just a simple kick, simple silhouette, but I need some more of these. This is being recorded today. Which day is it today? It is Thursday? Yeah, Thursday the 3rd of May. There was a release today of like 6 or 7 new Air Maxes. tried to cop a couple of them, so we'll see if they come through. So that'll probably be up next week. But for now, we got these. Just chuck them on feet, show you what they're like. There you go. And we're back. So that was a quick look at the Air Max 1 Aquas on feet. Surely you've seen these before. I will link down below to Foot Patrol if they still have them on discount, because at that price it's like a no-brainer pretty much. And when I went there, they seemed to have stocks. It was sitting out on shelves and all that, and it was an easy cop for me. But anywho, tell me what you think. They look fire, do they not look fire? Tell me some Air Maxes to check out, because as I said, I'm new to this thing. The Atmos, the elephant print ones, I really like them, but price on them is absolutely insane, so that ain't happening anytime soon. If there's any other ones that I should be checking out, the Obsidian pair, I like the look of those, so hopefully I'll try and get them out, because the prices aren't that crazy. Still on the hunt for those as well. UK 10, holler at me if you got any for sale. Anywho, follow me on Instagram, Ashbash Sneakers, Perfection7 on Twitter. More videos to come every Monday, my waffle on videos. I'm out. Ladio.